Today I'll be picking up Mike Carneo to help me cook Bicol Express. Let's see what happens.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Hey, what's up? Uh, First, we need to buy all the ingredients. Here we go. Let's start with removing the fat parts of the menudo cut pork. Using a pan, fill it with enough water, then pour in the fats. Put a cover so it cooks faster. We'll get back to it later. Get an onion, remove the outer layer, cut, then chop. Chop some garlic as well. Let's see if there's still water in it. Then let's stir it a little. Marcos showing us his cutting skills on our sigarilyas. Our pan is almost out of water. Let's cook it some more till it produces its own oil. Let's prep the rest of the ingredients. Chop some tomatoes and green chili peppers. Amazing to see the fats turning into chicharron. Separate the chicharron from the oil. Lastly, chop some ginger. Now, all of our ingredients are ready. Let's do this! Using some oil from the fats that we cooked, add the garlic and onion. Then the ginger. Mix it all up. Next will be the tomatoes. Okay, let's put in the pork. Then add the bagoong. Mix it well. Add in the coconut milk. Make sure to use half from the can. Add some water, just enough to cover the pork. Cover it up and let it simmer until the pork cooks. This is the part where we add the rest of the coconut milk together with the sigarilyas and green chili peppers. Now let's add the chicharron and some finishing touches. Crispy Bicol Express. Done! But wait, there's more! This guy had some plans for my tiger prawns. Thank you, Chef Marcos.
Oh baby, you caught me by surprise. I thought we had something special.
So there you have it. Cheers!